guys, welcome back to Adventures of Megan and Mike. It's officially September and you know what that means. It's the start of spooky and the fall season, which is our favorite time of the year. Today we headed to North Carolina for the perfect fall adventure. First up is Skytop Orchard, which has also been family owned and operated since 1967 and has come highly recommended to us from all of our friends. We had quite a drive up here, so it's not the kind of adventure that we would go on without Duncan, so we have good news for you if you have a furry friend. Skytop Orchard is pet friendly. You can bring your pet anywhere except the fruit stand, which is the inside area where you can buy the apple cider donuts, apple cider to drink, all things that are fall related. We found somewhere we can climb up and get an epic view of these mountains. You guys are going to want to check this out.
You guys got to check out this view. There's so many beautiful mountains out in the distance. It's pretty awesome. Alright, we got what we came for, the goods, the apple cider donuts. We waited a long time for them, but it was worth the wait. Well, we hope. We're going to try them out soon, and we'll let you know how they are. Just so you guys know, at the orchard here, they don't accept credit cards at the apple cider donut stand. You actually have to go inside and get a voucher, and then come back, and we didn't know that, so we waited in line, then had to go all the way inside, wait in a longer line, and then come back and wait in line again. So we waited a long time, about 45 minutes, so definitely keep that in mind. Bring cash if you have it. If you don't have cash, you got to get a voucher. I don't know about you guys, but I'm anxious to get into these donuts, so let's get into them.
While they're still hot.
Yeah, the box is nice and steamy, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, can you see that?
Yeah.
They are steamy. All right, let's hope that we got a good shot of that.
I don't know if I can wait much longer.
All right, dig in.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my God.
They are very, very fluffy donuts, and
they're
I
very
love
crispy
that.
too. Like, they're fluffy and like doughy on the inside, but there's like, you could kind of see the back of this one. They're crispy. 10 out of 10. If you're coming on down to Skytop Orchard, highly recommend getting the apple cider donuts.
They were worth the 45-minute wait. If you don't want to wait 45 minutes, come during the week, not on a weekend.
Yes.
So I was like, haha, bee roll. This is bees.
We just got done at our next stop, which was Looking Glass Falls. It's a 0.3 mile out and back paved trail. Once you get to the end, you can hop down and you can explore the fall. There was a lot of people in the water going behind it. It is open year round, and it's pet friendly as long as your dog's on a leash.
If you're planning a visit to this waterfall, keep in mind that parking is very limited. It's on the side of the road, so definitely keep that in mind. There's no parking lot, but there is plenty of parking, but we're here a Saturday afternoon and it's very busy. We luckily got one last spot, so keep that in mind.
And now for an Adventures of Megan and Mike, don't be a jerk at the waterfall PSA. When you see somebody coming down a slick rock and you're trying to go up at the same time, just wait a minute. You'll get up, you'll get back to your car, let that person down. The rock is slick, somebody's gonna fall. Don't be a jerk. Just let them go. It'll take 2 seconds. You're gonna make them more anxious and it's gonna take longer if you're trying to go up when they're coming down and somebody's gonna get hurt. So don't be a jerk at the waterfall.
To add to what Megan said, and if you wanna go and chase waterfalls, do it with a lot of kindness for others. There's no cost to being a good person, so be a good person when out exploring nature. You heard it. Improv. We have made it to our final destination for the day, the Blue Ridge Parkway. We're only stopping at a few overlooks on the Blue Ridge Parkway today due to time, but we do eventually plan to do the entire route one day. We're at our final overlook for the Blue Ridge Parkway drive that we're doing today. Like I said earlier, we're not doing the whole drive. We're only doing a little bit since we only have a day to explore, but we do eventually plan on doing the entire drive one day. Let us know if you've done the entire drive in the comments below.
As always, guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. It helps our channel more than you know. Until next time, we're Adventures of Megan and Mike. On a spooky, let me restart. We had quite a drive. Oops.
We're now at
One more. Just one more.
It's best to eat in even numbers.
Oh my god. Take one from in like the middle. They're warmer. Oh my god. Right.
Oh, look at that. That one is pure goodness right there. It's best to eat 2. Don't have 1. And get a dozen.
Yeah, 2 for good measure.
Get 2 dozen. Just get as many as you want because you can't go wrong with these.
Nope. Hang out. Let me redo that.